EEDI. Energy Efficiency Design Index improving the technical performance of new build ships. 1. Ships which are designed and constructed today must be more energy efficient than the baseline, thus reducing their carbon intensity. 2. Performance targets are increasingly stringent over time, thus incentivizing innovation in ship design. 3. There are different goals for different types of ships, recognizing the specificities of different types of ships. 4. For example, the largest container ships, 200,000 DWT, built at 1st April 2022 must be 50% more efficient than the baseline. EEXI. Energy Efficiency Existing Ships Index improving the technical performance of existing ships. 1. The requirements for EEXI certification entered into force on 1st November 2022. 2. All ships are required to calculate their INED Energy Efficiency Existing Ship Index EEXI. 3. The EEXI is a one-time certification for existing ships targeting design parameters. 4. There are a variety of technical means to improve the carbon intensity of existing ships and achieve the required EEXI. 5. A review clause requires IMO to review the effectiveness of the implementation of the EEXI requirements by 1st January 2026 at the latest and, if necessary, develop and adopt further amendments. Carbon Intensity Indicator CII Rating. Improving the operational performance of existing ships. 1. Each year, ships of 5,000 gross tonnage and above collect and report fuel consumption data. On the basis of this data, a carbon intensity rating I is assigned to the ship from A to E. 2. There are a variety of operational means to improve the carbon intensity of existing ships and achieve the required CII, e.g., times ship speed optimization times, weather routing times, just-in-time arrival times, trim, DRA, and ballast optimization. Carbon Intensity Indicator CII rating improving the operational performance of existing ships. 3. Poorly rated ships have to implement a plan of corrective actions, and the company is regularly audited. Incentives may be provided to best rated AB ships. 4. The requirements for CII rating entered into effect on 1st January 2023. For more marine-related videos and stuffs, subscribe to our Class 4 Orals Marine Hub channel. Thank you.